Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a close look at the Honor X6C, a budget-friendly smartphone that comes packed with some impressive features. In this review, I will cover the design, display, performance, cameras, battery life and finally answer the big questions. Is the Honor X6C worth buying? Let's get started with the design. The Honor X6C features a clean and modern design that feels surprisingly solid in the hand. Despite being an affordable smartphone, it doesn't feel cheap. The phone weighs around 199 grams, making it comfortable for everyday use. It also comes with IP64 dust and splash resistance, providing extra durability for daily life. Now let's talk about the display. The Honor X6C comes with a 6.61-inch LCD display and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This makes scrolling through social media, browsing websites, and navigation the interface feel much smoother than many phones in this price range. While it isn't a full HD display, the overall viewing experience is still enjoyable for everyday users. Moving on the performance. Powering the Honor X6C is MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra processor for daily activities such as YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and web browsing. The phone performs very well. Multitasking is smooth, and casual gaming is enjoyable. While it isn't designed for heavy gaming, it handles most everyday tasks without any issues. On the software side, the phone runs Android 15 with Honor's Magic OS 9.0. The user interface is clean, easy to use, and includes several useful features that improve the overall experience. Navigation feels smooth, and the software is optimized for everyday uses. Now let's check out the cameras. In this bag, the Honor X6C features a 50 megapixel main camera. Is good lighting conditions. Photos come out with DC98 detail, vibrant colors and good overall quality for a budget smartphone. It's more than capable for capturing photos for social media and everyday memories. For selfies, the phone includes a 5 megapixel front camera. While it's not the strong selfie camera on the market, it's perfectly fine for video calls, casual selfies, and online meetings. The phone also supported 1080p video recording. One of the biggest highlights of this phone is its battery life. The Honor X6C packs a large 5300 mAh power battery, easily lasting a full day of heavy use and even longer than modern users. It also supported 35-volt fast charging, allowing you to spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Battery performance is definitely one of this device's strong selling point. Let's quickly go through the pros and cons. Pros: smooth 120Hz display, large 5300 mAh power battery, 35-watt fast charging, supported 50 megapixel main camera, Android 15 with Magic OS 9.0, excellent value for money. Cons: HD plus display instead of Full HD. Basic 5 megapixel selfie camera, not ideal for heavy gaming. Final verdict: if you're looking for a budget smartphone with excellent battery life, a smooth display, reliable performance, and a capable camera system, the Honor X6C is definitely worth considering. It's great choice of students, social media users, casual gamers, and anyone looking for a reliable daily smartphone without spending too much money. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification for more tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.